friends, welcome back to our next video. And today you've got to let your creativity flow like this background because I've got a video on how to write or compose your own poem. So let's begin. Now, the first and most important thing is you have to take a subject or a topic in your mind. And for today, I'm going to keep the subject and topic as ghost. So we've got to do a poem on ghosts. Now, the first step of making or writing a poem is that you have to focus that even though you get your subject, you don't have to think of what you're going to name your poem. Don't think of the title, because after you complete your poem, you may get better ideas of the title of your poem to keep the title for your poem. So let's keep the topic as ghosts. Now you have to find different words and very simple words related to ghost. For example, scary, or if you want your poem to be funny, then funny, a funny ghost, and you get me. So you have to think of simple words, no difficult words. Now, if you suppose say cute, the next step is you have to make the words attractive. That means you have to improve the quality of the words. So if you've kept cute in the simple word section, then you have to make the word better as adorable. So you get me, right? Good. Now the fourth step is you have to find rhyming words so the final words are the ones in the make the words attractive section. So if you have adorable, then you have to think of a word that is rhyming to adorable. So now suppose then you do this for almost all words, and if you don't get any words rhyming word, then you can just write down. While writing down the poem, you'll get it. So suppose we say this is a ghost. Let's see, you can keep it like started that one day when I woke up I saw a ghost, and then you have to try to rhyme the word with the last word of the first sentence, that is woke up. So try to make it the next word related to up, which is like you can say so I got so scared that I broke a cup. Then like that, you get it, right? And while you start making the poem, you will start getting fluent in getting ideas about what you should write next. So the fourth step is a very important step, and so means all of them are, but fourth step is very essential. And the last but not the least one is enjoy your time writing your poem. You should enjoy the time that you're spending to write this poem, because if you're interested, then only it will come nicely and like from your heart. Okay, so it's always better. I've given the enjoy your time's shape as a heart because it should come from the heart. Okay, so yeah. Now for this video I have given the topic of the poem as ghost. I haven't written any poem right now, but actually I have. So I give you an assignment that you have to write any poem on ghost or any other poem if you have written till now, and give it in the comments section. And after I get at least one poem, then I will post the one that I have written, and we'll see, and that will make sure. So now I hope after this video you will be more interested in making poems, because it is this word web, just the 5 steps are very easy. So thank you friends for watching my video so patiently, and I hope you liked my video. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, of course. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye. Try to apply these things.